As charred remains of Thursday's Air India flight smoldered near the Ahmedabad airport, a haunting question echoed across the city. Is history repeating itself? For those who remember the horror of 1988, the answer feels dangerously close to yes. That year, on a fog-choked October morning, Indian Airlines Flight 113, a Boeing 737 carrying 135 souls, vanished into the mist and crashed just 2.5 kilometers short of the runway. Within seconds, the aircraft struck treetops, tore through an electric pylon, and exploded in a paddy field, claiming 133 lives in one of India's deadliest aviation disasters. Now, as sirens wail again and the acrid smoke of another tragedy fills Ahmedabad skies, the parallels are too painful to ignore. The 1988 crash was more than a mechanical failure, it was a perfect storm of pilot misjudgment, poor visibility, and fatal communication lapses. That morning, the cockpit crew radioed their descent position at 6:41 a.m. It would be their last transmission. Without proper clearance or final altitude checks, the plane descended blindly into disaster. Only two survived: Ashok Agrawal, a businessman who lost his family in the crash, and Professor Vinod Tripathi, who lived with lasting trauma. The wreckage told its own story, but the black box revealed the chilling truth. The pilots, disoriented in the haze, had skipped critical procedures. Worse, air traffic control had failed to warn them about dangerously low runway visibility. The Justice Mathur Commission later unearthed what it called composite negligence. Indian Airlines and the Airports Authority of India were both found liable for systemic failures. Years later, the Gujarat High Court handed down a financial reckoning, 90% of the liability on the airline and 10% on the AAI. Fast forward to today, as another plane falls from the sky in the same city, that old question returns, louder and more urgent. How many lives must be lost before safety becomes more than a protocol on paper? This isn't just a news story, it's a siren blaring from the past. And if we ignore its call, the next tragedy may not wait another 36 years.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.